Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. In today's video, I am going to be pouring on this 3D printed vase shape. I've done this before. You can actually see the dried on paint on it, and it made a really cool pattern on the canvas. The paint doesn't cover the vase super well, so I'm mostly using this to get the paint into that cool pattern, but I really like the look of it kind of flowing down the side of the vase regardless. So today I am using a leftover white and black that I've been using a lot, and just to kind of use those up. And then I also have rose pink, this metallic amethyst purple, super pretty, and this fluorescent, I guess they just call it fluorescent pink, and it's kind of like a neon pink. You can't see it because the bottle's black, but this is what it looks like. All right, I'm going to jump into it. I will be pouring a dirty cup over the vase that I'm going to go ahead and do in a minute. And then once I've done all of the paint that I think I want to do, I'm going to move the camera up to my normal spot so that then I can tilt the canvas. This actually turned out really cool. I didn't expect the coverage on the vase. I think last time I had trouble with it, but maybe last time the paint was thinner? I'm not sure. This is really pretty. Now it's starting to fall off the canvas, so I'm going to have to go ahead and move it pretty soon. I didn't actually prop it up in a cup this time. Kind of regretting that because I always forget that that helps me move it without touching a lot of the paint, but I may just try to get some sort of tool to stick under there to get it up. Okay, let's see how this looks tilted. All right, so I turned it this way because I like this pattern, and if anything, I wanted the movement to head this way, and my desk is a little bit tilted. I have created cups that kind of compensate for that, but it still kind of moves this way. So I just figured I would just kind of stack the deck there just in case. And I do think it will move a little bit this way. I kind of like it being off to this corner a little bit more than centered. And I really like some of these kind of curly white bits. I was a little sad by the darker colors getting poured off, but I still think you have some in here, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to use my torch on this and then let it sit for a few minutes, and then we'll take a closer look. For anyone new to the channel, or if you just haven't seen me use it before, I use this to pop any of the excess air bubbles. I don't hold it very close to the paint, and I don't hold it there for very long because I don't want to burn it. Before we take a break to let this sit for a little while, I wanted to show you the cup. Look how pretty this is. It looks like a watercolor painting or something. So cool. I'll have to use that neon pink again so that I can actually get it to show up a little bit more in a painting. Okay, I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Okay, let's take a closer look. So I'm going to start over here with my favorite spot. I love the white lines. So cool. There's so much movement in that. And it kind of continues over this way, and we get a little bit of cells as well, which is neat. And you see kind of the black showing through here. And then over here, this almost looks fluid in the waterway. I mean, I know this is all fluid paint, but this looks like a little stream going through, which is cool. And these look like flower petals. So does this really. I mean, that was kind of a given. Almost always when I do a vase pour, the paint that comes off the sides of the vase looks a little bit like a flower on the canvas, which is neat. And then over here we have that dark color again. So overall, it's not as high contrast as I usually like to do paintings, but I think there's so much detail that it's really cool once you get up close and see it. And I think that some of these colors will be more contrasty as it dries, so I'll look forward to seeing that as well. Sorry about the glare from the window. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. What's your favorite part of the video? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you're interested in more vase pours, I will have a playlist at the end of this video for you to check out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.